In this video, I want to give you a quick overview of what Classlink is, why you would use it, and how you get to apps from it. Let's get started. Classlink is what we call our one-stop shop. It's a location that you can go to and have access to all of the applications that we use here in Forsyth County. Now let's get to that site. If you are on a school computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop, when you first open a browser, you will go to a tab that will ask you to sign in. And this sign-in page will actually take you to Classlink. So if you type in your username and password, we do have MFA set up, so it will prompt you to do an authentication of your account. And once you've authenticated, it will open Classlink. Now, what if you're on a computer that's not issued from the county? To get to Classlink on another device, just open any browser and then type the website classlink.forsyth.k12.org. Once you hit enter, it'll take you to that same login page, and once you log in, it'll take you into Classlink. So, what is Classlink? Like I said, it's a one-stop shop. So once you're in here, you will see icons for all of the applications that we utilize here in Forsyth County. Depending on your school and your level, you will have different icons assigned to you. So here you'll see our big ones: Google Drive, Office 365, It's Learning, School City. All of those are here. And it is set up that when you click on any of these icons, it will carry over your login that you used to get into Classlink and automatically sign you into these sites. It's called single sign-on, and it makes it easier for you to access each of these sites. You'll see a Teacher Tools folder, and in that folder, you'll have a link to the website. You'll have Outlook Online linked in there, Unity to turn in any technology tickets that you have, reset your password. So different applications that a teacher would use will be located in this Teacher Tools folder. And then you'll also see folders for different subject areas. Hopefully this will get you started on using Classlink, and you will find this as a helpful resource.
In this video, we're going to discuss a few ways that you can continue to help us ensure that your Forsyth County School account and our students' data remain secure. The first issue is with using your Forsyth County School computer account. You should always avoid using your work email address or your work Google account to sign up for any outside accounts or services. If you are doing something for personal use, please use a personal email address. You've already noticed that password security is important to our district when you had to set up your 16-character password. Additionally, once you get to your school, you will be assisted in setting up multi-factor authentication, referred to as MFA. This will help keep your account secure by asking you to authenticate your account anytime you sign in. Additionally, we ask that you never write down your password on a piece of paper or a sticky note and have that password somewhere in your desk or in your classroom. Also, never give your password out to someone else to use. Using your FCS password or the same password on all online services is like giving someone a single key that you could use to unlock your house, your cars, your office, etc. If your password is hacked or compromised on some external site, your account here at work will be considered compromised. Additionally, never log into a student's device using your username and password. We have had students in the district who have used a keylogger on their device in order to save their teacher's username and passwords, which then allows them access to your accounts. And lastly, when you have your MFA set up, only approve a request to authenticate when you're truly logging into your computer or your account. If you get a request at a time that you're not actually on a computer or logging in, don't approve it. That means someone is trying to hack your account. We also have a responsibility to protect student data. And even though it may be inconvenient, if someone calls and asks for a student's username and password over the phone, we have to ask them to come in personally or meet on an online call in order to show proof of identification. While you may know your students, parents may actually be asking for this information, and we need to know that they truly are the parent of the child requesting the information. Phishing attempts have become one of the most common ways that hackers gain access to someone's account. These are 4 of the ways to help you identify if an email is a phishing attack. Here in Forsyth County, we actually put a yellow banner on any emails that come from an external person. Look for that yellow banner, and if you have a request to do something, give a password or something, buy something for someone, that is probably a phishing attack. Delete the email. Remember that Forsyth County Schools will never ask you to confirm your credentials via email. If an email says that there's been some kind of suspicious activity on your account or offering you free items, it's probably phishing. And know that your principal will never ask you to purchase gift cards on their behalf. Please be careful to watch for each of these. And the best practice is to just delete when you see one of these emails. Thank you for your help in keeping Forsyth County Schools secure online.